Hey there. From the swirling chaos of hurricanes to the crackling energy of thunderstorms, Mother Nature's power leaves us in awe. Discover the stories and sheer force of these incredible natural events with us. Let's dive deep into the thrilling world of nature's fury. Severe flooding near Juneau, Alaska, caused by a glacier-dammed lake release, swept homes and debris into the water. Experts warn of erosion risks and the impact of rising temperatures on the region. A devastating tsunami from the Great East Japan earthquake engulfs the town of Ofunato, Iwate Prefecture, leaving destruction in its wake. A tornado strikes a workplace, creating a scene of chaos. One individual is seen desperately escaping to save their life amidst the destruction. On Thursday, July the 22nd, 2021, severe flooding in Anyang, China, forced over 73,000 residents to evacuate as rainfall exceeded 23.6 inches since Monday. The death toll rose to at least 33, with Anyang among 4 cities in Henan under the highest red storm alert. Drivers in northwest China's Haixi region were forced to flee as a massive sandstorm engulfed the area, reducing visibility to near zero and creating dangerous travel conditions. Typhoon Kongray struck Taiwan and eastern China, causing widespread damage. Infrastructure was heavily impacted, homes collapsed, and falling trees crushed vehicles, leaving a trail of destruction in its wake. On September 11, 2015, tsunami-like flood waves in Japan swept away hundreds of cars and homes. The terrifying force of the water left a trail of destruction, showcasing the devastating power of nature. Severe flooding in Peru, worsened by Cyclone Yaku, led to the dramatic collapse of a 3-story house into raging waters. The powerful currents swept the structure away, highlighting the relentless force of nature. This terrifying footage serves as a sobering reminder of the devastating impact of extreme weather events. The historic Caritas Bridge in Crete, Greece, collapsed due to severe weather, marking a significant loss of cultural heritage. The powerful floodwaters overwhelmed the centuries-old structure, underscoring the destructive impact of nature's fury. On January 1st, footage captured Wajima residents fleeing from a landslide triggered by a deadly earthquake in Japan's Ishikawa prefecture. The disaster, Japan's deadliest since 2016, has claimed at least 90 lives, injured 460, and left 242 people missing. The full extent of the destruction remains unclear days after the quake. A landslide in Kulu, Himachal Pradesh, showcased the sheer force of nature as the Himalayan terrain gave way. The event left onlookers stunned, highlighting the region's vulnerability to such natural disasters. Amid heavy rains in Himachal Pradesh, rivers in full fury pulled down bridges and swept away vehicles. A video from Kasol, a popular tourist destination, captured the terrifying moment a swollen river overflowed, dragging tourist cars downstream, showcasing the devastating impact of relentless rainfall. Severe landslides in southern Peru, triggered by heavy rains, have claimed at least 36 lives and left over 1,000 families affected. The disaster destroyed 630 homes, along with bridges, roads, and irrigation canals. Residents united in efforts to rescue those swept away and recover bodies from the debris, highlighting the devastating aftermath of nature's force.
No hay que correr más en la ciudad, creo.
On June 30th, 2022, a landslide struck the Peruvian district of Chavín de Huántar, damaging at least 150 homes. The sudden disaster left residents scrambling for safety and highlighted the vulnerability of the region to such natural calamities.
Oh, wait, that's big.
On August 21st, climbers on Piz Badili in Switzerland witnessed rockfalls from Piz Tengalo's unstable north wall. Later, a massive granite fall occurred, But the anticipated disaster came 2 days later, when 4 million cubic meters of rock collapsed, causing chaos and evacuations in nearby villages. On May 7, 2022, a bridge in northern Pakistan collapsed after a glacial lake outburst triggered by a heat wave unleashed massive water flows into the stream and nearby areas.
रोडी अंकल साइड में हो जाओ यार, सारा जाना कि कोई धक्का देगा मकान को। अरे छोड़ अंकल साइड हो जाओ, पे ऊपर गिराएगा, पेड़ भी टेढ़ा हो गया।
होशियार ज्यादा बन रही है ना।
अरे गाने में क्या तकलीफ है आपको?
पूरा पत्थर आएगा नीचे, ये पूरे का पूरा पत्थर आ रहा है।
आगे आगे देखो, पेड़ टेढ़ा हो गया, छोड़िए चला दो। छोड़िए अंकल भागो।
In 2017, a massive landslide hit Shimla, Himachal Pradesh, causing widespread destruction. Roads were blocked, homes destroyed, and access to many areas was cut off. Rescue teams worked tirelessly amid the devastation, showcasing the immense power of nature.
We got it.
On September 7, 2015, torrential storms in southeast Spain triggered flash floods in Adra, Almeria, sweeping cars and trucks down streets. The floods caused extensive damage to 50 homes, 30 shops, and 200 vehicles, highlighting the destructive force of nature.
Oh my God!
On September 13th, 2022, a deadly earthquake in China triggered a massive landslide. Video footage captures the dramatic moment rocks broke loose from a mountainside, showcasing the immense power of the quake and its devastating impact. A severe storm, accompanied by strong gusts of wind, struck Alto Adige, causing widespread chaos and damage. The bad weather brought down trees, disrupted transportation, and left residents grappling with power outages. The intensity of the storm serves as a stark reminder of nature's unpredictable force and the challenges posed by extreme weather conditions. Severe floods and landslides in Indonesia have claimed at least 41 lives, leaving thousands displaced from their homes. Torrential rains caused rivers to overflow, submerging villages and triggering deadly landslides. Rescue teams are struggling to reach affected areas due to blocked roads and damaged infrastructure, highlighting the devastating impact of the disaster.
It's gonna miss us. I've never seen anything like that.
A devastating tornado tore through Indiana, damaging and destroying multiple homes and buildings. The severe storm claimed at least one life, leaving a trail of destruction and heartbreak in its wake. A massive avalanche and mudslide swept down a mountain in the Alps, burying roads and homes under snow and mud. Emergency services quickly rescued those trapped and cleared blocked routes, highlighting the power of natural disasters. Massive earthquakes, measuring up to 7.6 in magnitude, struck Japan's western coast, triggering 1.2-metre-high tsunami waves on Monday afternoon. The Japan Meteorological Agency, JMA, issued tsunami warnings for several prefectures, including Ishikawa, Fukui, Niigata, and Yamagata, following the quakes. The tremors caused widespread concern along the Sea of Japan coastline.